Welcome to Leisha Today. So as you can see here, I have a travel size jewelry box. Super cute. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video on how you can engrave and personalize a travel size jewelry box, stay tuned. First, what you want to do is you want to place your jewelry box and try to make sure that it's like placed so that your design goes on there in the correct manner. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your laser over your item and you're going to hit distance. This measures the distance from your laser to your material. Of Xtool Creative Space, what you want to do is you want to go to the start marking, rectangle, start marking. From here, you're going to place your laser on either side of where you want your design to be. So I'm going to do the top left on that side and the bottom right on that side. So this is what it'll look like inside of Xtool Creative Space. You're going to push in marking, and then it'll give you this portion that you marked. So then you're going to get your design. So then what you need to do once you import your design is you just size it down so that it will fit inside of the square and or rectangle that you marked. Just the Jarvis, and then I'm going to go to text and I'm going to insert text. I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to select this and I'm going to change the settings here. And so let's see, I'm going to make the power 78 and the speed, actually hold on, I'm going to change the material to this brown laserable, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to change this to 78 and the speed to 300, and I'm going to change this to Jarvis. Okay, so from here I'm just going to push process and make sure you close your lid before you start. I'm gonna hit the start button, and then I'm gonna turn on my fan, my inline fan, and then I'm gonna hit the start button, which is right here. I'll get back to you guys to show you how long it took to do the engraving.